Governor of Anambra State, Professor Soludo, has expressed satisfaction with the quality and pace of the ongoing renovation work at the General Hospital in Enugwu, Njikoka local government area. According to Governor Soludo, his administration pays concerted attention to infrastructural and human capital development. Government House correspondent Ejike Abana found the report, taking from here.
As a result, his administration embarked on recruitment of 5,000 teachers and over 300 health workers, saying that in the history of the state, he remains the first governor to do so within the first few months of his administration's lifespan. While describing Enugwu as a great city, the governor reminded Anambra about the ongoing empowerment of 5,000 youths through the One Youth and Two Skill initiative, a venture he revealed will create future millionaires in the coming years. He advised youth to take advantage of the program and engage themselves meaningfully, stressing that such development will not be possible outside the APGA platform, which he described as a development-oriented. He asked the people to vote for APGA candidates in the March 11 election to ensure consistent development of the state, pointing out that in order to continue to perform credibly, he needs the support of APGA-dominated House of Assembly.
That is substantive thing. I will bring come back. Then put on where I do the timeline where mama on a bike according to the program. Because if a pasala rike, oh yeah, no na
Also speaking, the Commissioner for Health, Dr. Afamo Bidike, who assured that on completion, the hospital will be equipped with adequate manpower and facilities, noting that with the recruitment of additional 3 doctors, nurses, and pharmacists, the hospital will be translated into a specialist service center. Mr. Chidi Ibemeka, going to represent Njikoka Constituency 1 at the State House of Assembly under the platform of the All Progressive Grand Alliance, pointed out that he has presented himself as a distinguished personality to represent the members of the constituency, soliciting for their support.
By the grace of God, but the House of Assembly. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. House of Assembly, now one of the greatest supporters of solution movement of Anambra State government.
The Commissioner for Budget and Economic Planning, Mrs. Chiamaka Nnake, Special Advisor to the Governor on Security Matters, AVM Ben Chiobi, retired, Special Advisor to the Governor on Medicals and Pharmaceuticals, Honorable Godwin Nnadozie, Chief of Protocol to the Governor, Mr. Chinedu Nwoye, among others, also attended the event.